next is the problem. Here the domestic sewage of the town is to be discharged a stream of the stream for the after the treatment. So determine the maximum permissible effluent of the BOD. Okay, determine the maximum permissible effluent and the percentage of the purification is required in the treatment plant. So given in some of the following values are given. So some of the what are the some of the values that it is given. So we will based on this given parameters, we have to find out the permissible effluent BOD percentage you have to determine, and percentage of the purification we need to determine. So they are given the data of the population of the town is they are given as 50,000. The dry weather flow. Okay, DWF is of the sewage is nothing but dry weather flow. If it is WWF is nothing but wet weather flow. So you have to remember. Okay, DWF means dry weather flow. Okay. So dry weather flow, it is 150 liters per capita per day. So what is this dry weather per capita? So it is very important parameter. So here you see here the dry weather flow of the sewage, they have been mentioned as 150 liters per capita per day. That means 150 liters per capita per day means 150 liters of water per person per day. So that is the meaning of it. Okay. So that is what the exact meaning of 150 liters per capita per day. Okay, so you have to remember this 150. So dry weather, next is BOD concentration per capita. So per person, so whatever the BOD, okay, BOD contribution. So if there is a wastewater is there, so that wastewater, so what is the amount of the oxygen which is required? So that required oxygen is been created by one person is 0.075 kg per day. That means 75 grams per day per person will be create the BOD contribution. Okay. So that's what the exactly BOD contribution per capita is 0.075 per kg per day. Okay, so minimum flow of the stream, so that should be 0.2 meter cube per second. BOD of the stream is that is the minimum flow. Okay, minimum flow of the stream is 0.2. So BOD of the stream is 3 mg per liter. Okay, so that's what the BOD they are given. Maximum BOD of the stream of the downstream. Okay, downstream means this is the down. So the movement will be takes place like this. Okay, this is downstream. The movement of the maximum BOD stream of the downstream is 5 mg per liter. Okay, first dry weather flow per there is a population of 50,000 per 150 liters per capita. So the dry weather flow, so first we have to find out what is the dry weather flow for the population of 50,000. Okay, so there is a 150 liters one person will be used for a 15,000. What should be that? Okay, we will find out that one. So 150 into 50,000 per liter, so that we have taken. So we need, that is per liter per day, it has been amount of the water is been generated. So that generated amount of the water is 50,000 into 150. Okay, so we need to determine this is the liters, this is the amount of the liters per day we need in a volume. So that's why what we will do, there we will convert this day into seconds. Okay, so whatever this volume is there, that you divided by 24 hours. Okay, one day is converted into 24 hours. So after 24 hours, hour is been converted to minutes, that is 60 minutes. So 60 minutes is converted to 60 seconds. Okay, so that's how we been converted. Okay, but into 1000 if you multiple, so you will get it in volume. Okay, so this the whatever the day time is nothing but day, it is in the form of the day. So day is converted to seconds, but here it is in liters. So liters has to be converted into volume, so that's why you have to divide it by 1000. Okay, you divide it by 1000, so you will get it as 0.0868 meter cube per second. So stream discharge, dry weather flow of the stream discharge is 0.2 meter cube per second. Okay, so if it is a mixture BOD is a mixture of the downstream, so that's why you have to use this one. So y1 q1 plus this is q1, y1 q1 plus y2 q2 divided by q1 plus q2. Okay, so this is the formula you have to be used. Okay, here the ym, okay, the BOD of the mixture, that they only given the maximum of the BOD of the downstream, they only given as this 5 mg per liter. So this ym is 5 mg per liter, you rewrite as that as 5. So one is effluent. Okay, so effluent, y is the that is the BOD, q1 is the discharge. Okay, so here y1 is unknown, so write as it is, y1 as it is. Okay, next q is the discharge, q of the sewage dry weather flow, just now we have determined, so put that q as 0.0868. okay, that discharge of the sewage water. Okay, next the another is q2 here, q2 y2. So what is this q2 y2 here? q2 y2 is first y2, that is the BOD, so that is BOD of the stream, that is given as 3 mg per liter, you write it. Okay, so one is the sewage, another is the stream. So stream that is 3 they are given, you write it as 3. Okay, next that discharge is the discharge of the flow of the stream, also they are given as 0.2, you write it as it is. Okay, so both whatever they given, write it as it is here. Okay, got it. So after that q1 and q2, so whatever you have written in the numerator, the same thing you write it in the denominator. Okay, so now after substituting right hand side and left hand side, finally, so only unknown is y1, so y1 you will get it as 9.608 mg per liter. Okay, so a BOD of the effluent, finally the BOD of the effluent is 9.608 mg per liter. So now we have to determine BOD per capita per day. Okay, so per capita per day, so they are given BOD of the per capita and per person is being generated as 0.075 kg per liter. Okay, so 0.075 you write it. So we need what is that per capita per day, we need it now. So we need it in what is that in grams. Okay, so 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, you write it as it is. Okay, so we need it in the volume now, so that's why again you write it in multiple by 1000. Okay, so finally you will get it as 75,000 milligrams per day. Okay, BOD per capita is 75,000 mg per day. Okay, finally the sewage, they only told sewage of the dry weather flow, that is given as 150 per capita per day. Okay, so you can write it as 150 liters per day. Okay, see, this is what the dry weather flow. So actually BOD, so total BOD per day is 75,000. So divided by dry weather flow, so that is been BOD which has been generated, so that is 150 liters per day. So 75,000 divided by 150, you do it, the actual BOD will be actual BOD of the effluent, that is the sewage water, that is 500 mg per liter. Okay, so 500 mg per liter. So hence the percentage of the purification required. So see here, consider, so this is the BOD of the effluent. So BOD of the effluent is 9.6, but actual BOD of the effluent is 500. So you take the difference between these two. So 500 minus 9.608 divided by 500. Okay, so into multiple by 100, if you do it, you will get the actual percentage of the purification which is required. So that is what the actual percentage of the BOD which is required to be purified. Okay, so that percentage is 98.1. Okay,